everyone. This is our 13th release about our trip to China to Hainan Island. The national park is a mountain covered with tropical jungle. This natural area was slightly ennobled and prepared for a safe visit. For greater fascination by the walks in the park, man-made objects were also built, the Gate of Lovers, the Gate of Happiness, caves and much more. Some of this is already on the channel and you can watch it. And now you will see the Bridge of Lovers, which is staggering underfoot, and to pass on it you need to jump from side to side, to the rhythm of the staggering of the bridge. And it turns out very funny. And at the end of the bridge you are met by two girls who take you by the ears and take them aside and take pictures. And all these bells are hung by lovers to preserve their happiness. And at the end of the video, we'll show you another small video from the shopping center in Yanoda Park. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and see you soon dears.